Hi, my name is Navan, and I was a developer for Canton during the Eat Denver 2026 hackathon. During Eat Denver, I built Credix, which is a lending protocol on Canton that's specifically for private credit markets. So the two key problems that Credix was trying to address was both the fact that many loan/private credit markets today are inefficient, and two, that they're often vulnerable to discrimination due to lack of privacy. And so, on one end, a lot of this inefficiency is caused by the fact that loan origination, matching, and servicing are coordinated by these intermediaries and these manual processes, which create lots of delays and operational costs. And so, our app used a order book system on chain using on Canton to effectively match lenders with borrowers in a way that was efficient and more efficient than the way that is currently done in private credit markets. And then the other issue that we wanted to address was discrimination and privacy issues, where a lot of times, like modern day, we see like lending loans, people who receive loans being discriminated against, such as like redlining, where lending decisions are influenced by identity characteristics rather than, actual credit scoring. And so the way that we addressed the second problems was, and the reason that we wanted to build on Canton was because of its privacy focus. What this allowed us to do with Canton's privacy model and its architecture was that we could securely make applications for private credit markets where not every participant would be able to see all the different pieces of data. So what that looked like was, instead of being able to see a user's whole transaction history and their personal information, all of that was distilled into a credit score that was calculated in the back end, and this kept all the information about a user private to them, while still allowing lenders and borrowers to see the credit score, effective credit scoring. And so next steps we want to do is we want to finish building out this protocol because we believe it's a valuable protocol to build on Canton and something that a lot of people would use and would be very successful. And so the ways that we plan on doing this is through further credit scoring integration, automated risk management, and then having more liquidity in our protocol to allow for a more efficient order book when having these loans be requested. And so we're really excited to see the potential of Canton to power financial infrastructure like what Credix is trying to build, in a way that's more fair, using their privacy-based blockchain, and also more efficient through the order book system that we developed for our lending protocol. And we're looking forward to continuing to build Credix on top of this as a production-ready protocol.